Welcome to our channel, where fitness meets expertise. In this video, we'll provide you with 7 professional tips for stall mat gym flooring. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a gym owner, these tips will help you make the most out of your gym space. So, let's get started with our first tip. Tip 1. Choosing the right stall mat gym flooring. When selecting gym flooring, it's crucial to consider factors such as thickness, material, and durability. We'll guide you through the options available and help you choose the right stall mat that suits your specific needs. Tip 2. Proper installation techniques. Installing stall mat gym flooring requires proper techniques to ensure a seamless and secure fit. We'll show you the step-by-step process, including measuring, cutting, and securing the mats, so that you can achieve a professional-looking gym floor. Tip 3. Safety considerations. Safety should be a top priority when it comes to gym flooring. We'll discuss essential safety considerations, such as slip resistance, shock absorption, and proper cleaning techniques to maintain a safe workout environment for everyone. Tip 4. Maximizing durability. Gym flooring is subjected to intense use in heavy equipment. We'll share expert tips on how to maximize the durability of your stall mats, including regular maintenance practices and protective measures to prevent wear and tear. Tip 5. Cleaning and maintenance. Maintaining clean and hygienic gym flooring is essential for a healthy workout environment. We'll provide you with practical tips and cleaning methods to keep your stall mats looking and performing their best. Congratulations! You're now equipped with 5 professional tips for stall mat gym flooring. We hope these insights will help you create a functional and safe workout space.